Hello students, today we are going to read and understand Units 2 poem, that is The Kite, written by Harry Ben. So before we start, all of us like to fly kites. Have you ever tried to fly one? Read this poem about a kite as it flies in the sky. So the poet has drawn a beautiful picture of a flying kite through words in the poem. We all love to see flying kites but never noticed how it flies. Through this beautiful word picture of a flying kite, the poet just persuading the readers to fly one and notice its beautiful moves. So let's read and understand this poem. Stanza 1. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. What a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. So here, dive and a dip means to go into water with a force and softness together. Snaps means cracking sound. Blue is a color, but here it is used for the clear sky without clouds. So a kite looks bright in a clear sky when it flies for the first time. It moves with softness and force together at the same time to fly, makes its tail to create a cracking sound in the air. Next stanza. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climb to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Here, soars means fly high, climbs means to go up, sail is a cloth on a ship or a boat used to catch wind and help the boat to propel. Tides are raising and falling waves. Crest means mountain top or a tuft of feathers on the head of bird or animal. So such moves help it to float in the sky, just waves rising and falling with the sudden blow of wind. It goes up to the highest point in the sky. In a way manner, the ship away moves on the ocean. But as soon as the wind slows down, it seems as if it has stopped there to rest. Next stanza. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wing fill and up it goes. Here slack means loose. So when the thread tied to the kite loosens, the flyer runs and rolls it back. He waits till a new breeze, which means air, blows again and fills its wings with air again to help it fly high. Last stanza. How bright on the blue is the kite when it's new, but a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. In a top of a tree. Here, raggeder means torn or tattered. So a kite looks very bright and beautiful on the clear sky, but when it gets stuck on the tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor worn out look which is not liked by anyone. Here explanation of this poem gets over. Let's take a quick summary. In a clear sky means when there are no clouds, a kite will look bright in it. It will be clearly noticeable. The kite hurls and with every wag its tail produces a cracking sound. Then while flying, all of a sudden the kite goes high on the top Just like a ship goes up and down on the crest of waves with a sailcloth. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is only taking a rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite loosens. The flyer tries to roll the thread and turns till a new breeze fills its wings. A kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor look.